Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Prashant Imani. I am here to read Part 9 Municipal Councils and Parliaments from the book People's Democracy, written by Imani Sitaraman and Imani Suryaprabha. Part 9 Municipal Councils and Parliaments. Article 10 Conduct of Business. Firstly, definitions. Transfer of vote. Number of votes for each option of a matter by the people in the target constituencies submitted by the elected members in the parliaments and municipal councils. Parliament of nation or of a state shall meet at such a time and place as decided in the previous session, before 3 months from its last sitting. Municipal council of a district municipality or of a village municipality shall meet at such a time and place as decided in the previous session before 1 month from its last sitting. All matters at any sitting of a parliament or of a municipal council shall be determined by majority vote of the members by transfer of vote. Any member unable to attend a meeting for any reason shall have to depute another representative member of his choice from the house of his domicile. Article 11 Passing of Bills. Definitions. What is a bill? A proposal for a government act for approval by agreement with its constitution. Target constituency. Municipal constituency which shall be affected by the proposed government act. A bill may originate in the parliament of the nation or of a state. The parliament of the nation or of a state may form a commission for help or advice in the preparation of modification of a bill. A bill shall not be deemed to have been passed by the parliament unless it has been agreed to by a majority vote of the members of the target constituencies by transfer of vote. When a bill has been passed by a parliament, President of nation or the President of the state, as the case may be, shall declare that he assents to the bill. A bill pending in a parliament shall not lapse by the reason of the dissolution of the parliament. Article 12 Types of bills. 6 types of bills may originate in the parliament of nation or of a state. Finance, development, regulatory, confidential and emergency bills, and a bill for amending this constitution. A finance bill is aimed to modify the revenue or expenditure of governments. A developmental bill is aimed to develop and improve natural resources or human resources or infrastructure. A regulatory bill is aimed to limit human action to prevent or minimize injury to persons and or property. Finance bills, development bills and regulatory bills shall have to be publicized by mass media for 2 months before voting in the parliament and shall have to be agreed to by the target constituencies by majority vote. Matters of confidentiality in confidential bills and the mode of approval and execution of a confidential bill shall be determined by the parliament in constitution with the executing authority. A confidential bill shall have to be passed in the parliament before 6 months after the completion of execution. Nature, type and quantum of emergencies and relief operations for emergency bills shall be determined by the target constituencies, village municipal councils and the district municipal councils. An emergency bill shall have to be passed in the parliament before 1 month after the first day of its execution. A bill for amending its constitution requires 2 approvals before its enforcement and 12 months after its enforcement in the parliament of the nation by 2/3 majority. Municipal constituency meetings. People of a municipal constituency shall meet once in a month at least last Saturday or Sunday. Registered problems and needs of common interest shall be discussed in the meetings, and the matters to be proposed in the municipal councils and the parliaments shall be decided by the election. Elections shall also be conducted in the meetings to approve the options for government acts for passing the bills. The elected members shall submit the result of elections in the House of Municipal Councils and the parliaments as transfer of vote of the people. Municipal Council meetings. Municipal councils shall meet once in every month. Meet of village municipal councils may start on first Monday and of district municipal councils on the second Monday of the month. Matters with small budgets and small target territories proposed by the municipal constituencies shall be discussed and executed by the district municipal council by agreement with this constitution. Parliament meetings. Parliament of the nation or the state parliaments shall meet once in 3 months. The state parliaments may meet starting on the third Monday of the first month, and the national parliament may meet starting of the third Monday of the second month of the 3-month period. Matters of common interest proposed by the municipal constituencies and the executive heads of the government faculties shall be discussed, and bills shall be prepared for matters involving larger territories, large budget, and large technical issues. All the members of the House must be present in every meeting of the district municipal councils, state parliaments, and the national parliament. If any elected member cannot attend for any reason, he must depute another member of his choice from the representing house of his domicile. Executive heads of the faculties relevant to the matters of discussion shall be summoned to the municipal council, and the parliament meets to present their comments. Passing of bills. All matters in the district municipal councils, state parliaments, and the national parliament shall be decided by the majority vote of the people of the target municipal constituencies, submitted by the elected members as transfer of vote by agreement with this constitution. Majority vote of the people in the target municipal constituencies, which shall be affected by the proposed government act and shall contribute for the involved expenses, is sufficient to pass the bill. Development bills. Development bills may be passed on smaller scale, limiting execution only to the municipal constituencies which have approved the bill by majority vote of the people. Confidential bills. Matters of the confidential bills cannot be disclosed to public until the execution is complete. Hence, the execution shall be regulated by law by agreement with this constitution, and the bill must be passed in the parliament before 6 months after execution. Emergency bills. Immediate rescue operations are essential for matters of emergency. Nature, quantum, and type of essential relief operations shall be decided by the available people in the affected municipal constituencies in the urgent meetings in safe places. The decisions of the meetings shall be communicated to the heads of the executive faculties, chairperson of the district municipality, president of the state and of the nation for immediate execution. The emergency bill must be passed in the parliament before 1 month from the first day of execution by agreement with this constitution. Amendment bills. Everything in the world shall be changing with time. Nature, natural resources, human resources, utility of resources, needs, and the problems of common interest, attitudes of people, etc. All progressive changes of common interest shall abide by this constitution, and seldom amendments are needed. When apparently a better option to improve quality of life is repugnant to an article of its constitution or a party thereof, amendment shall be needed to that part of the constitution. To legalize the option or all such options, an amendment repugnant to the preamble of this constitution should never be considered. Good or bad. Good or bad effects shall be evident only after execution of the amendment. Hence, a bill to amend any part of this Constitution shall have to be passed before execution and again after 1 year from the first day of its execution by agreement with this Constitution.